Welcome to the 2021 Open House Challenge from Listings to Leads. We're going to help you get 30 leads with phone numbers plus a hot listing lead. So my name is Scott Pierce from Listings to Leads, and in this challenge, whether it's your open house or an open house that you're going to borrow to hold open for somebody else, we are going to help you get 30 leads with phone numbers plus a hot listing lead. So go to listingstoleads.com/open house leads. There you'll get more information about this. That's at our mastermind group. So if you got to be a client, and if you're not a member of our mastermind group, go ahead and ask support for more information. We're going to pick one winner weekly. So every Tuesday from November 2nd to November 23rd, we're going to pick a winner from the previous weekend. And how you can enter that week is by leaving a comment, a post at the URL above, listingstoleads.com/open house leads, about how your open house went. So how many leads did you generate? Tell us a little bit about the leads that you did generate. Give us some information, maybe some tips about the open house that you did, things that you could have done to make it better, and so on. And we're going to pick one winner every Tuesday for a free month of Listings to Leads. And everyone's going to get a ton of support from all of us here at Listings to Leads. So check this out real quickly.
At 490, 26 days in, 490 leads. I would say our conversion ratio when it comes to these leads, because again, I don't think there's any bad lead, is pretty high.
So all we're looking for is 30 leads in about 3 days. I think you got this. All right. So you can sign up for our webinars. We're going to do the webinars every week. So go to leadgenwebinars.com to sign up for the webinars, and we will see you in the calls. All right. So if you're not a client of ours, go ahead and sign up at listingstoleads.com. You can be an individual agent, a team. You can even be an office, a lender, a title company, and so on to work with us. And we've even got managed services. So if you need a lot of the stuff done for you, we can help you as well. So if you have any questions, let us know, and we'll talk to you soon.